हम गधे
सही है,
हम गधे।
So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. Today in this video I have brought a very important information for all of you, and that is definitely the information which you people had been waiting for a long. Means teachers as well as students all were very eagerly waiting for this thing. But now when we have received that thing, means I am talking about the reduction of syllabus and the new pattern of paper of class 12th English, and I feel like I don't know whether we should cry or whether we should laugh. Our situation is something like that. So I think all the teachers must agree with me, because CBSE has simply befooled us. Means I won't be wrong to say that CBSE has simply befooled us in this pandemic situation, because the reduction in the syllabus is actually nothing. So first of all we will see which topics have been reduced by the CBSE. Then I'll tell you about the pattern, changed pattern of the paper, and then we will discuss how, means what changes have been done. How at last we will analyze this whole change. So watch the video till last, and at last I'll be telling you whether the changes are good or bad, means whether we teachers are satisfied with this or not. So first of all, let us see the change pattern of the paper. So this time now earlier there used to be, means no MCQs in English paper, but this time CBSE has divided the question paper of class 12 into two parts. So actually there will be 3 parts, but your question paper will be of 2 parts, 40 plus 40 plus 20. It will be like that. Means your section part A, earlier it used to be section A, now it will be part A, that will be of 40 marks, and this whole 40 marks will be MCQ questions. So this is a major change by the CBSE, and there means these MCQs will be 20 marks will be there for comprehension, and comprehension passages will be shorter this time as compared to earlier, and 10 marks to comprehension passages will be there. Then from literature also 20 marks MCQs will be there from both the books, from poetry also. So that is a big change by the CBSE. At last I will tell you whether this change is also going to prove good or bad. So watch it till last. Then we will see the next part, means part 2. Part B will be of 40 marks again, and that will be detailed literature questions obviously, and writing section will also be included in that. So now we have to see, means in this part B there will be short writing task, means notice and advertisement, and invitations and replies will be there. So these 3 topics will be covered up. Poster has been removed, which was I think the most scoring for the students, so that will not be included now. And then means 24 marks, means this 40 will also be divided into 16 plus 24. 16 marks writing section and 24 marks for literature. Literature, another change is that earlier there used to be no long questions from poetry, but this time there will be one long question from poetry as well. Another thing is that earlier there used to be no extracts from the other book Vistas supplementary reader. Now they will also be included. So this is the changed pattern of the paper. Now we will see which topics have been deleted by the CBSE. So the most important thing, that CBSE has deleted note making from class 12. So I think that was very scoring, very easy topic for the students, and that has been deleted by the CBSE. Another thing is that from Flamingo, the chapters which have been deleted are Poets and Pancakes, The Interview, Going Places, and a Roadside Stand poem has been deleted. So these 4, means 3 chapters and 1 poem has been deleted from Flamingo. And as far as Vistas book is concerned, The Tiger King is reduced, and Journey to the End of the Earth and Memories of Childhood. So these chapters have been deleted. And from writing section, poster making has been deleted, Then business and official letters have been deleted for making inquiries, registering complaints, asking for and giving information, placing orders, sending replies. All these types of letters have been reduced. They have been deleted from the syllabus of class 12 English. And speech and debate have also been deleted. So these are the major changes which have been done by the. So now we will see whether these changes are going to prove good for the students and teachers, or they are not useful at all. So if I talk about myself as a teacher, I find that one thing is that CBSE has taken too much time to give these changes. The thing is that we teachers are teaching since means a long time. Since April we are teaching the student, and as far as this Tiger King is concerned, this is the very second chapter of a book, roadside stand poem. We had already done all these things, and now they have been reduced. Even in some schools, papers have also been conducted. Like UT1 has been conducted, and now the CBSE is giving us this change. So many means we were expecting something else, but we have got something completely different. So that means I am not at all satisfied with this change. I think all the teachers are not satisfied with this change, because there is not much reduction in the syllabus. Talk about the changed pattern of the paper, that may be easier. Means students may think that will be easier for them, that MCQs will be there for 40 marks. But according to teachers, as a teacher, I feel that if you are having MCQs from literature portion, then you will have to study the literature more thoroughly. Means MCQs doesn't mean that you are going to score very good marks, because MCQs are the questions which generally make you confused, because you will be confused between the options, and that is the thing. If you are asked to write an answer directly, and you may get some marks, but MCQ means right is right and wrong is wrong. So for this thing also, from this point of view also, I think students will have to study more. Another thing is that earlier students they did not study poetry in this much detail, that they were asked to write long questions from poetry. But this time they will have to prepare poetry also very thoroughly. So these are the changes, and I think CBSE needs to reconsider all these changes, because we were not expecting these many changes only. And as far as this, and one more thing, I have seen in the syllabus, changed syllabus of class 11th and 12th, that earlier what happened, that same topics of writing section were covered up in class 11th and class 12th. But now what CBSE has done, CBSE has divided the writing section half in 11th and half in 12th. So that is actually going to prove very difficult for the teachers to handle, because earlier we used to do all the writing section, means all the topics of writing section in class 11th, and in 12th we used to revise them, and lot of practice was done by the students. Now what will happen, that new topics are there in class 12th. Means all the topics which we have not taught them in 11th, we will have to cover up those topics in class 12th. So that will be an added burden on the teachers as well as the students. So CBSE should consider all these things. And moreover, note making has been reduced. That was very scoring for the students of class 12. So all these changes means I think that they are not so good for the teachers and for the students also. So if you agree with me, just leave a comment in the comment box, and do share this video with others also, so that everybody should come to know about these changes and this different pattern of the paper. And if you found this information to be useful, please like the video also, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it. Thank you.